Hi everyone, Rebecca here, and today I'm doing a review on these oven liners. They were gifted to me in exchange for my review. Come 2 to a pack, a set of instructions, and then a brush. This brush will really come in handy when you're putting barbecue sauce on, or just liquid if you're wanting to brush your meat that you are cooking. This Teflon mat does measure about 16 inches by almost 24 inches and is about the mat itself is 2 millimeters in thickness, so you can cut it to fit your oven size perfectly. A great feature about this is that it is double-sided non-stick coating. You can tell right here on the bottom of my oven, it gets so dirty. And with this mat, it's gonna really alleviate all of that issue. Now I thought I would demonstrate with a pot pie. Now as you know, pot pies always boil over and get stuff at the bottom of your oven. Look at how great that this mat really did collect all of that. This Teflon mat worked perfectly in my oven, but you could use it on a grill. All in all, this is a great Teflon oven mat.